So imagine this was you earning over 300,000 per month, starting as a complete beginner with no experience needed, and you can launch and get your own affiliate business. I'm not talking about a funnel or anything like this. I'm talking about a real, legit, proper business running on your domain, your setup, within 7 days or less. Hi there, my friend Errol Muller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, you might have searched, how do I start affiliate marketing as a beginner? And we're going to delve into the details of the keyword that you have just searched. Now, who am I? Like I said, my name is Errol Muller. I am the owner and founder of Empire Digest, the website that I'm showing or basically sharing with you right now. So what is this website or this hub? We actually call it a hub. It's all about affiliate marketing. Every single thing that you click on this website is related to affiliate marketing in some shape or way. Now, if you are really interested, and I will also leave a link in the description below, you are more than welcome to head over to Empire Digest. If you want to know how to start an affiliate marketing business as a beginner, then I would highly suggest that head over to Empire Digest, click on the Show Me How to Make Money button, which will open a page that looks very similar to this one at the time of me shooting this video. And I want you to take some time and actually read this specific page. So the guy on this video, his name is Vic Stride-Shoes. I've joined him in the year 2015, and ever since I've been one of his followers, and I basically implement almost 99% of what he shares with me. And whatever I learned within the system, it's called the affiliate business system. On the top right hand side of your screen, there's a notification popping up. I did a review based on the affiliate business system, and you can check it out. And he is currently making this setup that you see right here, Empire Digest. My business, my company, basically stems from the things and the ideas and things that I've learned within or from Vic Stride-Shoes, and things that I've implemented based on what I've learned from Vic Stride-Shoes. So more than welcome to head over to Empire Digest, check it out, register for the live event, and I will see you on the inside. Now, I just want to show you quickly something. Look at this. Look at this professional looking design. Just look at this. Now, there are companies charging you anywhere from $30,000 to $100,000 in order to create a professional looking website, very, very similar to this one. Now, I know this is not what you are searching for. You want to know, how do you start an affiliate marketing business as a beginner? And I'm going to share that with you right now. So I just wanted to show you what this looks like. And if you click on any one of these links, they are affiliate links, and that is what you want. So I just want to share an idea with you quickly. What if you had a setup like this? Your own business, your own logo, your own domain, your own everything. You build your own hub, your own follower base, your own affiliate marketing business. You don't have to rely on anybody. You don't have to. You can change products if you want to, when you want to, however you want to, keeping in mind you have to build a sustainable business whereby followers will follow you for the purpose of you sharing your passions, your dreams, your goals, and things that can change their lives for the better. You don't just want to create anything and spam people with links or anything like that, because you're going to lose trust with your followers, and that's not what you want to do. The things that you do share with them, you want to make sure that you share things with them that can literally better their lives, improve their lives, improve their lifestyles. Okay, and that is what I wanted to share with you. So you can have this very similar setup, very similar to this at the time of me shooting this video. A very similar setup by doing what? All you have to do is either click the link below this video, or you head over to empiredigest.com. Now, before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up. Reason being, I want as many people to watch this video as possible and to rank as high in the search engines in order to have more individuals like yourself. More individuals like you watching this video who really, really want to succeed at affiliate marketing. You know, there are so many online gurus and people teaching you how to make money online, etc., etc. but nobody that I've come across is teaching this specific model that you will get access to when you head over to the homepage, Empire Digest, and you click the Show Me How to Make Money, which will bring you over to this page, and then you just follow along. I've never seen anybody teach this specific model, and you can get up and running within 7 days and start generating commissions, depending on how you as an individual are following along. So please give this video a like. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below this video. On your screen right now will be a disclaimer. Please read this disclaimer, pause the video for a few seconds, and let's continue along. Now, what you are seeing right now, I'm just going to go back to Empire Digest quickly. Just this one page, and I've shared this in one of my previous videos, just this one page alone, because I've started Forex trading in the year 2015, and I've always been involved. I'm still involved in Forex trading. I started in 2015, which is about going on 9 years now. And just this specific page alone generates me anywhere up to $5,000, sometimes $2,000, sometimes $1,000, $3,000, every single month on complete autopilot now. And it's all based on affiliate marketing. So I do the work once, and then the system starts working, and it starts building, and it grows, and it grows. That's not even talking about the crypto page. So there's a lot of things that I've removed off of the crypto page that I'm going to add back on. Just for the time being, I've actually removed it. That is not to mention even the crypto page. I've made with one of my crypto investments, and by referring people to a legitimate business, not a scam or anything, to a legitimate business, I've made over 8,000 euros, not USD, not pound, euros, just by referring people to that specific program. And that is the power of having an affiliate marketing business online. That is crypto. That's not even talking about courses. When you have a look at the courses page, that's not even talking about the webinars or even the tools. So all of these are all related to multiple sources of income, to affiliate marketing, in order for you to generate more money and help more people in the process. That is very, very important. Always start with why. Why do you do what you do? And keep that in mind. And that's very important for me. So thank you. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you for your time. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, healthy, happy life, as well as financially successful life going forward. And may you be blessed with everything that is good and wonderful. Enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.